Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to make an easy glow slash fine edges effect in After Effects. So in order to make this effect, you'll need a Sapphire plugin, so let's just hop right into it. So the first thing that you'll add is S_distort. Just want to add it on there. You want to put down our amount to 126, our blur lens to 0, our rotate warp direction to 348, our amount rel x to 0.510, our amount rel y is going to be 0.210, and then for our next effect it will be S_glow edges, so you just want to add that. So for mainly to do this effect, it might depend. You might have to layer like the effects on top of it. So I'm just gonna put it right underneath, and then I'm gonna want to put for glow brightness, bring it down to 1.830. Then go down the glow width and put 78, and then you want to put the width X on 0.490, our edges threshold to 0.6200, and then you just want to go down to show and put on edges, and you can already see like how the effect is coming along with the fine edges effect. And then you just want to add radial blur. And this is possibly one of my favorite effects just to add onto my own effects or when I'm editing, since it just ties in the effects so nicely. So basically you just want to add for your type of zoom, go down to amount, put down to 7, and then you basically just want to go down to best quality, put it up, and let me mess it around with it for a second. So you just really want to mess around and find where it usually just looks good, so about right here. Then you just want to add S_glow noise, put it right underneath, and then you want to go down all the way down to threshold, under 0.5600. Then you want to head down to glow width. Oh yeah, head down to glow width and put 113. And then that is it for that effect right there. For our last and final effect to actually tie it in, for this one it's going to be actually optional, but just for me, how I like to actually tie in my effects, I'm just going to add CC_lens. I'm going to add CC lens, and then I'm just going to put it down to size 185, and it just zooms in our clip a bit more, so you can tell by the before and after. So it just gives that like that nice cool fine edges effect with a glow on it. And yeah, I hope you guys learned a lot from this video, and thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and have a good day.